Welcome to my channel. So this channel, to start with, was about project management. Now it's gearing more and more towards productivity tools, task management, capacity management, scheduling, even habit trackers. I think I have a few of those. The price of software these days is just too expensive. I think we all agree on this. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to give you the opportunity to build them for free. So I have plenty of tutorials in Excel, mostly or solely at the moment. And this is one way that where you can get them. And I think you'll enjoy the tutorials. I'm trying not to be too serious when I'm providing those tutorials. And the other way, obviously, if Excel is not your thing, or if you want to skip the work, and if you really want to get hold of those tools, I have a shop, and you'll see, if you want to do a comparison of the price of those software companies and this one, you'll see a big difference. And what I'm doing is I'm just actually taking the key functionality of those expensive software, the functionality that we actually use. So just to give you an example, the MS Project tool, it's a Gantt chart. You only used a few functions, and the Excel spreadsheet that I've created, I've actually only introduced those few functions. And look at the difference in price. Obviously, I don't pretend to be Microsoft, but I think I can give them a competition, at least for the scheduling, and that's just a starting point. I have some capacity planner that I've seen in some very rich companies, and they give you a monthly price per seat. So imagine, if you're a company of 5 or 6 per month, and it's getting nuts, and you'll see the price that I'm offering us has absolutely nothing to do with this. Okay, so this is it. Thanks for looking at my channel. Hopefully you'll be one of my subscribers, and I'm looking forward to it.